Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hold risky messages for the moderators review while you are streaming on Twitch. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on channel. After that, you should scroll down and tap on customize channel. Then you should click on settings in this left side column and tap on moderation, which is a subcategory within settings. And here go to automod controls, where you can find this automod rule set section that you have to tap on it and then click on the turn on automod button down below in order to turn on this function. And here you can set aggression, bullying, disability, sexuality, sex or gender, misogyny, race, ethnicity, religion, and so on. So you can filter all of these aspects when it comes to the wording of your viewers. So these will be held for review. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.